SheaMoisture Curl and Shine Shampoo is a phthalate-free shampoo, paraben-free shampoo and cruelty-free, that hair gently cleanses natural hair and improves hair's health and restores shine. This curl-enhancing shampoo is a natural hair shampoo that contains coconut oil to moisturize and protect hair while replenishing lost oil. Dye-free. SheaMoisture delivers this silicone-free shampoo that is a curl care shampoo and also contains hibiscus flower extracts to improve hair elasticity while reducing the occurrence of breakage. The rich, creamy lather of SheaMoisture's coconut and hibiscus women's shampoo and daily shampoo gently washes away impurities, leaving you with frizz-free waves and curls. All SheaMoisture curl-enhancing hair products, natural hair products for curly hair and curl hair products for women are ethically traded, sustainably produced and cruelty-free. SheaMoisture hair products, like this coconut shampoo and shampoo for wavy hair, contain no silicones, no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalate, no mineral oil or petrolatum. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. Best shampoo for the price and for curly hair, very nice scent and not too overpowering. Does a great job for the price.